So guys, for the first method, if you're using an external mouse, you want to unplug it and then plug it back in again. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to try a different mouse if you have one to see if that mouse itself is broken or not. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other pointing devices. Now you want to find your mouse. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your mouse installed. Also, if your mouse comes with a software like my one does, then you want to go to your software and then click on your mouse and then click on settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date for your mouse software itself. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. You want to wait for the scan to be fully completed on 100%. Once you fully complete the scan, you then want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.